What is up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Yesterday we checked out a E92 M3 and an E93 M3. I had you guys comment down below which one I should go with, and I already bought one of the cars.
As a matter of fact, you're looking at her right now.
She is beautiful, and I feel like I definitely made the right choice. I went with my gut feeling on this one, and I decided to spend the extra little bit of money and get that. What do you think? She beautiful? This car has been so fun to drive. I picked it up last night, drove it around a little bit, probably had like 50 miles on it. Such a blast to drive. It does need a few little things. This inner fender's falling out a little bit. The front bumper has a scratch in it. The rear bumper has a scratch in it. It has this clear bra on it, which is kind of yellowed, so I'll probably end up peeling that off. Other than that, super clean car, clean title, 6-speed manual, black leather interior. It's the competition package, so it has the different wheels with the carbon roof and all that.
Let's see that carbon roof.
It does already have coilovers on it. I don't know what brand, I haven't checked them out yet, and the previous owner did not know which brand. This thing's sick. I'm super glad I went with this one. The E93 was cool as well. It was way cheaper, but it had so many issues that I wasn't really comfortable dealing with.
Electrical issues.
Yeah, a lot of electrical stuff. I just said, you know what, screw it. It's my birthday present to myself. So I didn't want to buy a nasty project car. I wanted to buy something clean, nice, good base to start modding.
You splurged.
I splurged. I feel guilty for, I was telling Bobby earlier, I feel guilty for like paying what a car is actually worth for once. I never do that. I always like get a blown motor car or something that needs a ton of work. This car, it's just a nice car that I decided to buy. So I'm excited. And
Look
she looks
at her.
good.
Can we trade?
You wanna drive it?
No, I want to trade.
You haven't even driven it yet.
Can I drive it around the block really quick?
Yeah, go drive it.
Excuse me? Keys, please. Thanks. Wow, I've never driven a M3 in my life. A BMW at that.
First official cold start for the boys on an E92 M3. First V8 cold start of the channel. It sounds good. It sounds really, really good, but I'm so excited to get some exhaust on this car. I want to get some nice exhaust on it. It's already got coilovers, so we're good there. Exhaust, wheels. There's so much stuff I want to do to this car right away, but I have to figure out like an actual build plan for this thing and see which direction I want to take it.
This is weird already.
That fits you way better than it fits me.
Do I look like I drive it?
This looks like a car you daily drive.
I know, for real.
Wow, it fits you good. All right, slide it. Damn, she is beautiful.
It's like you press it in and it like just like goes all the way in. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Are you happy we went with the coupe instead of a vert?
Oh, I love this thing.
Did you like the vert more? The coupe definitely looks better. Don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
The coupe looks way better. I know it's way more of an enthusiast car. It's gonna drive better. It's lighter.
The convertible would have been fun in the summer, but only in the summer. And then like any other seasons, we would have been like, hey, this kind of looks whack.
I had big plans for the convertible to make it like just insane, but for a coupe, might be different.
Can I trade you?
You wanna drive it home?
No, I want an M3.
Maybe one day we can sell your STI and get you an F80 M3.
What's that?
It's a brand new one.
It is?
Yep.
Okay. Look at these two buttes. Do you want me to get a thumbnail of you in front of it?
Yes. All right, so we're gonna start heading back to Spokane. It's another 4.5 hour drive. I want to drive obviously the M3 a little bit, but I think Bobby's gonna drive it a little bit as well. And yeah, kind of just, you know, get a feel for the car. I'm really freaking excited. I'm so excited for this car. It's something I've been wanting for a very long time now. For months and months and months, I've been wanting an M3. Trade?
Yeah.
Go riff on her.
Okay, well, but can I play Indy Priscilla in that car?
So we're like an hour away from Spokane right now, and we are gonna trade cars. I want Bobby to test out the M and see how she likes it. That car is so beautiful.
Faster than my car.
You like it?
I love this car.
How's the handle?
It's so cool and good. I hate Gary.
I put Bobby on one of the windier roads in town and let her lead. You were hauling ass coming into some of those corners. I was kind of scared. It handles so good.
It does.
Like in your car, it feels like you might like
tip over.
Tip over. But in the M, it's like you're on rails. It's so sick. I'm so glad we got it.
Were you impressed with my driving?
I was. Yeah, good job.
Thanks, baby. Look at it. It's all perched in its new home.
You want to pull your car in now?
Sure.
So first impression, you like?
Love.
Approve?
Approve.
What do you like better about it over your car?
Over the STI? I like how it handles and drives.
It's such a driver-friendly car.
And it's, what's the word? Faster?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's fun.
She is a V8, you know?
It kind of like, well, I don't want to tell you this on camera.
No, say it.
Because I don't want to be wrong at all. Well, it really reminds me of a Genesis. I think it's because it's
like a low coupe.
Yeah, and I think that's why I like it so much.
Sorry, but it's not quite on the Genesis level.
Well, I know it's but like the Genesis, but like 10 times better.
Okay. Thanks for letting me get it.
Mm-hmm.
I appreciate that.
Yes. Can I steal it now?
Yeah, you can drive whenever you want.
No, for good.
Oh, for good? I'll trade for the STI.
No trades.
No. Alright. As you can see, both Bobby and I are extremely stoked on the M3. I'm so glad we did this one over the 93. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you tomorrow.